When you are ready to sync your grades that are in Schoology over to your student information system, and in our case, this is PowerSchool, there's a few things you want to check. We are in quarter 4 now, so at this point, every teacher has likely already configured their courses to sync to PowerSchool. We can do a double check of that by going over to our PowerSchool button over here on the left-hand side. So when we do this and we go over to configuration, we're just going to double check to make sure our categories are mapped, which they are. So this is the teacher's PowerSchool categories. These are the only two Schoology categories they're working with, so these are mapped correctly. Now I'm going to go back over to sync grades. So you can see in sync grades, there are some that have synced successfully and there's others that failed. Teacher may have not wanted these to go over to PowerSchool, so that's why there is a fail here, because most of these errors have to do with not assigning a category to the assignment. But one thing I want to draw your attention to in this when you do sync is to make sure when you are assigning your assignments, you know what quarter they're going to go into. So if you come down here at the bottom of every one of your courses, it will show you the grading periods that are associated with this course. So quarter 4, any assignments have to be given and would have a due date between 4/2 and 6/26. If it's 6/27, 6/28, and you sync, it is not going to go into the correct place in PowerSchool. Same thing if you assign it a day before, like 4/1. That's going to end up being synced over to quarter 3, because quarter 3 is the end here. So this is something you want to pay very close attention to. If you did sync something and it says it was successful, but you don't actually see it in PowerSchool. So I'm going to go over to the gradebook for a minute just to give you another way to view, to see all of the due dates for all of your assignments. Okay, so now we are looking at the gradebook of this same course. And you can see here we have several assignments. I'm actually viewing quarter 3, and I just want to double check to make sure that they all fall in the quarter 3 interval. So I'm going to expand this, and this is what's going to be show me what the dates are for all of these. Now that I've expanded this, I'm also going to change the view, and I'm going to click on Show Full Titles. So you can see here when I rest my cursor on any of the titles here, it will tell me what the due date is. So due March 31st, that falls in quarter 3, quarter 3, quarter 3, and also quarter 3. So just do a double check of that anytime you are missing assignments that you thought you synced over from Schoology but do not appear in PowerSchool.